In this example, we're going to learn how to find interquartile range in Excel. Interquartile range is a measure of variability where you divide your data set into quartiles. Interquartile range is also called the mid-spread or middle 50% of your data set. Now, in order to find interquartile range, you also need to find Q3, which is your third quartile, and Q1, which is your first quartile. If you're unsure about how to use the quartile function in Excel, please watch my video on that. Once you have found Q1 and Q3, it's very easy to find interquartile range. The formula is Q3 minus Q1. So if you're using Excel, you can do cell referencing, and here I'm doing equal to Q3 minus Q1. So my interquartile range for my data set is 209.